Hi ladies, I'm going to show you really quick how to enter orders through your back office. If you're at a party or you have a customer that has reached out and wants to order, you can do all this through your back office. So if you hit virtual office, I'm going to show you how to do this two different ways. I'm going to show you how to do it from a party, and I'm going to show you how to do it as if it's just a new customer order. Through a party, I'm going to click parties. I'm going to click my open party I have here. And then I'm going to click new order. And this is going to bring up this page. This is where you would type all your customers' information. My daughter is already in my system, so we're going to use her as my customer that's placing an order. If they don't have an email address or they don't feel comfortable giving it to you, you can always click use consultant email address. Then you click save and continue. And this will bring you into like the website. So say Samantha wants to order, hold on, okay. We're going to say she wants to order a large utility tote. I'm going to drop that down. If you know the item number, you can just press that in and that'll automatically populate it back up for you. Sammy's going to want the purple one, so we're going to add that to our cart. Now you see it's already there. Now, say she wants to get the blue crosshatch and wants to personalize it. This will open up your personalization. And with that, you can go down here, and we're just going to do a simple one. So we're going to do a monogram. And we'll just do a big, large letter. Say she wants an S. And then this will bring up all your threads, colors, and we're just going to pick white. And this is such an awesome tool. You can preview your personalization. So you click on this, and if you're at a party, this can be important because if someone's ordering at Busy Print, and like Preppy Pop was a Busy Print, and it had different colors in it, but they want to use one of the colors that's in it, you have to warn them that the personalization could land on the color that they're choosing. So say they wanted orange, and they put a saying in orange, but whenever they get it, it may show up that it's inside the orange color of the Preppy Pop pattern. And, you know, it's always good to forewarn them. It's always good to be able to show them what it's going to look like. Once you do, you can click OK, and then you update your cart. Now, let's see here, go back up here, and say she's done. So we're going to click, as soon as my computer resets here, we're going to click on her cart and click view. Now once we're in here, it should tell you that your order is can have customer specials. So then if you ask your customer if she's interested in customer special, and you can click here and it'll automatically bring up the customer specials. Say she wants the Your Way rectangle, so we're just going to click on this one, and I'm going to, click on this one, and we're going to add it to the cart. Now I want to see if it shows you that it discounts it. It did discount it automatically, but if you're in here and you add a customer special manually, you will have to come in and click on discount this item, or it's going to charge them full price. So like right there it shows it's $25. I'm going to hit discount, and now it's going to be $10. So once you've done all that and they are happy and they're done, you would go down here and do begin checkout. Now, let me see. Now once we go down here, it's going to show us our subtotal, the shipping, the tax. Now, mine is set to ship to consultant. But Sammy doesn't want to wait for me to close my party at the end of the month. So she wants direct shipping. And that 31 started this year, and it's an awesome tool that if you hit direct ship in a party, there's no waiting. The order will automatically process and ship out. And they could have their stuff before you even close the party. Direct ship does cost $4 extra. But especially if things are on low inventory or you're worried something will sell out before you close your party, you always want to encourage direct shipping. Then you go here for Roundup for 31 Gives. 31 Gives is 31's portion of charity where we help support empowering girls, women, and families. Proceeds raised through this program will stay in their country of origin, which means it stays here in the United States. And it really does help a lot, and we'll get into that in another training. But if she says she wants to round up, so we're going to click that, and then you'll go to new payment. Now, it's going to give you payment options. You can do a gift certificate. If she has one that's been ordered through 31 back office, you can say she writes you out a check or gives you cash, then you can use your own personal card. Or if she has her own card, you can hit new guest credit card. Now, it will not, she does not need to worry. It won't save her information, so you can't go in and do anything with it later. Then once you add the card, then you would just hit submit order, and it will submit. Now, if we go back, let me show you what it looks like if we do, and say you just had a customer come up to you and says, I want to order a large utility tote. So you can go in here to orders. And it's basically the same thing. You're going to hit new order. You're going to enter in their names. Now, this is where you would go if you're going to do a business supply order. Say you want to order catalogs. You would go under business supply order spring. It'll automatically populate your information. You will hit save and continue. I don't know why it does this every time.
Does that call me?
No, can you please go? I'm doing a video. Go. Sorry about that.
She didn't call you Sam.
So then you go to business order supply, and you're going to hit save and continue. At this point, then it will take you into all of our consultant supplies. This is where you can order catalogs, you can order bags, you can order key fobs. Anything that you may need can be ordered through here. Let me go back to orders. The other thing with new orders is if you get into a K group, which we'll discuss later on as well, but that can also be found in here. Say you have a K group order, like we had the add-on kit, that would be found under these different order types. That pretty much shows you how to enter an order in your back office. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will definitely help you with that. Thank you, and have a great day.